What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating for you a braid/plait that I saw on Facebook. Not sure who the original poster is, however, I was all about this braid because my horse gets terrible with knots. Not only does he get terrible with knots, but he has the thinnest, terriblest tail and mane ever because it is so thin and so tangly, and I've been trying to grow his tail out and it is embarrassing, and I should really show you guys a photo because we could grieve his tail together since it's that short. It probably goes past his hock, and I've been trying to grow it out for years. Anyways, this isn't about his tail, this is about a mane, and this braid is perfect for longer manes and medium manes, and you won't have to do any cutting or any pulling or anything like that. So it's really cool, be great for the show ring and for photos and stuff like that. So let's get started. First thing you're gonna need is a brush and some hair ties. Now this is Equine Organics, and hold up here because this is one of my most favorite things in the world. It is a mane and tail leave-in detangler, and it is free from sulfates, it's pH balanced, and it leaves my horse's mane super soft and smelling amazing. I cannot speak highly enough of this product. Now this is Silverado Face Glow. I actually have it for my Arab's face for showing, but it actually works really well for braiding as it holds down a lot of those flyaways. First thing you gotta do is start your braid as you would any other braid, but you only go down 3 or 4 times before you put a rubber band in it. I twist the ends so that it's easier to pull through. And as you can see, you go underneath the braid and pull it through. Just like that. And that's what one should look like. Now you just take that tail end and braid it into your next braid. And to be honest, I probably could have braided a little bit shorter. That way that rubber band would be more hidden. I think I just went too far down. Twist and pull it under. It's that simple. Now this braid isn't something I'd leave in, but it's definitely something for the show ring that I would use and for taking photos, which if you keep an eye out, I'll probably be using it in my next photo shoot. Now, I know it's not perfect in my video because I was trying to rush a little bit since somebody was helping me film, and I kind of didn't want their arms to fall off, so my braids aren't spaced as even as they should be. However, I think you kind of get the idea on what to do. And here's the finished product. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave your feedback in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys think. And if you try out this braid, please tag me on Instagram. I want to see what you guys do and how much better you are at braiding than I am, because clearly I need some practice. If you like these types of videos, well, I'm going to be doing a series on grooming your dogs and your horses very very soon. So if that's something you're interested in, subscribe, click that little bell next to it to be notified when I upload, which is pretty much every Wednesday. I always do a ton of these tips, tricks, and tutorials, and I just really, really appreciate all of your support. It really means a lot to me. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And that's all from me, guys. Take care.